Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys see how luxurious this wig is. Today's wig is from Beautyforever Hair. This is their 7x5 Byebye knots wig. This is a body wave texture, natural black of course, 24 inches, and you guys, this wig does come with baby hairs already done for you. Yeah, so this is a goodie. So first I'm gonna give you guys a quick unboxing. It is Beautyforever's hair 7th birthday, so they did send a birthday card, which was really cute, of course, with all these other goodies as well. Now once again, the wig is their 7x5 Byebye knots lace wig. So yeah, that lace is definitely pre-bleached, okay, definitely giving HD. It comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it also comes with the baby hairs done for you. So if you are a beginner, this is the perfect wig for you to purchase. There's nothing that you have to do besides just take it out the box and install it. Like, look at how beautiful this lace is, you guys, and mind you, it has a lot of parting room so you can do different styles. Now the wig cap in itself does have the adjustable strap, and of course it does have the silicone base around the wig, which definitely helps your wig from slipping and sliding. Now as you guys can see, that wig is super bouncy. I barely had any shedding or anything like that straight out the box, no type of smell or anything of that sort. I'm giving you guys a close-up of that lace. As you can see, it has so much room, and look at those knots. Byebye knots definitely is fitting for this wig because I do not see the knots anywhere. So the first thing that you're going to do is add some makeup on that lace, adjust that adjustable strap, and then just go ahead and throw the wig on. Now me personally, I don't do baby hairs on the regular, but being that this wig comes with baby hairs, I do want to show you guys how I would install it if I did have to add baby hairs. So the first thing that I'm doing is just fitting the wig to my head. Don't worry about those baby hairs, we're combing them back for now, but we will use them in the future. But I really wanted to see what that lace was looking like because I did have to use just a little bit of melting spray to secure the lace in place. So first I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb to try to get any unnecessary hair out of my face before going in with my melting spray. Okay, so I'm starting with the side first because I wasn't able to get the baby hairs out of the way as much as I wanted to. So I'm gonna take my time on this because I did not want to get any spray on the baby hairs because that's gonna make it look crusty and stuff, and we do not want that. So as you guys saw, I'm only using a little bit of melting spray, and I'm just laying the lace down once it gets a little bit tacky. You do not have to use a ton of product, and you definitely do not have to use any glue. You guys know I am not a glue person, so I was definitely happy that I only had to use just a little bit of melting spray just to really get the lace to lay down where I wanted it to, and then I allowed it to melt with my elastic band for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, the elastic band is off, so wherever I see any of that lace, I'm just dabbing just a little bit more foundation just to make sure that it is melted with the rest of my skin. You don't really want the lace to be standing out. Lace is already a texture, so the more you can hide it, the better. This is what it is looking like, so now it is time to style the rest of the wig. I will be sticking with the middle part today, but you guys know I do like to do my method of making sure that the wig is laying as flat as possible, especially at the top. This also helps you to kind of mold and shape your wig into place. So I'll just be going section by section with my wax stick and my hot comb. As I am doing this, I want you guys to pay attention as to how much lace room you have. This is amazing. This is definitely a great alternative versus like the frontal, a full frontal. Now that everything is flat, it is time to reshape the baby hairs, because if I'm going to add baby hairs, then I need them to look natural. I don't like big, thick baby hairs. So I'm using my little mini flat iron, and I am just recurling the baby hairs. This kind of helps you to lay them down a lot better. I'm not a pro at this, but I feel like what I do is pretty decent and natural looking. I'm using some edge control. I put it on the hair first, and then I went in with my brush to kind of just get the shape that I wanted to, and then I went in with the comb side to really set it in place. The comb definitely shapes your baby hairs way better than the brush. The brush is like a starter, and then the comb is the finisher. So that's how I do it. So once I was finished with both sides, I went ahead and added a little bit more foundation into the middle part, and I did go in with a lighter foundation because you want it to mimic your scalp. Your scalp is a lot lighter than the rest of your skin tone. So you guys know I'm extra. I'm going in with my hot comb one more time just to make sure the wig is laying as flat as can be. I like it to look nice and neat and just sleek and looking like I just came out the salon. So I went in with my mascara wand just to tighten up that part area. I'm a little picky when it comes to that, but this is how it looks, you guys. It actually came out really nice, even with the baby hairs in itself. So it's time to style the rest of the hair. As you can see, I did one side off camera. I did not cut any of the hair or anything like that. I felt like the wig was pretty much layered to what I would normally do if I'm gonna stay with the middle part with a body wave wig. I felt like it really looked nice, so I didn't trim, I didn't do anything to it. So I just went in with some holding spray, and now I'm just brushing it through the hair because I want to make sure it got through each and every hair strand. And then I will be using my curling wand to actually curl the hair. But to actually set the curls in place as well as the spray, I'm also going in with my wax stick just to help me get rid of any flyaways. You guys know I cannot stand flyaways. But overall, the hair quality was really nice, you guys. It had like this nice flowy feel to it. It was very sleek, no excessive shedding, no excessive tangling or anything like that. And as I said earlier on in the video, it didn't have like a weird smell, nothing of that nature. I definitely feel like the hair was giving great quality. Okay, you guys, we are basically done. I am just adding some finishing touches, which includes going back in with my wax stick to get rid of any flyaways that I may see, and also using that curling wand to press the hair down even more, and also just mold the wig to a shape where I would want it to lay. But let me know if you guys actually prefer like the fresh curls without me running my fingers through it, or when I actually do run my fingers through it, because it actually looks really nice both ways. And I know you guys see that shine in the hair. It was just giving luxury, it was giving quality, and it just looked really pretty. I also love the fact that this wig does seem like it's layered on its own. So the way that they sewed the bundles onto the wig cap, it was very well done, and I definitely do believe that this wig is super beginner friendly. This is the perfect wig to wear to any and every occasion. You can also put it on very easily and take it off very easily, and now that it is already styled, when you take it off, you can just sit it on your wig stand and just call it a day and just slap it right back on the next day. So yeah, so as always, I will have the direct link to this unit listed in my description box down below, including all of the important details. Definitely grab this one if you are a beginner. Based on my experience, she definitely is worth it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to Beauty Forever Hair. I will see you guys next time.